My name is Ashley Peddie. I'm general manager and owner of Peddie Roofing and Waterproofing. The company was founded by my father, David Peddie, in 1991, and we have been growing through preventative maintenance, service, re-roofing ever since. We can't do what we do without the assistance from the manufacturer at time of design, at time of installation, and at time of delivery. IKO Industries has been there as a supporter for Peddie Roofing through these supply chain efforts. This project is Shops of Carrington Green. It's roughly 7 buildings and approximately 40,000 square feet.
The biggest challenge with this project was supply. It was a matter of who could supply the materials on time so that the project would go ahead in a timely manner. And the only product that we saw was IKO. The other manufacturers couldn't supply on time, and IKO could.
This is about our 3rd or 4th Innovi TPO project installation, and both products installed were excellent.
The crew really likes the Innovi TPO membrane. What they found is that it's very easy to weld. The range of temperature that they can weld at was very good.
IKO Industries has been there since day one at time of design with Peddie Roofing upon budgeting and pricing of this project, and has been there as a great value partner.